Bangalore, a city that blends the old and the new, where traditions and technology coexist, welcomes you with open arms. This vibrant metropolis, often referred to as the Silicon Valley of India, stands tall as a buzzing tech hub, yet it nestles within it a heart that beats to the rhythm of its rich heritage. Encapsulating a world of contrast, Bangalore paints a picture where skyscraping tech parks share the skyline with verdant gardens, and where the hustle of traditional markets harmoniously blends with the hum of modernity. It's a city where the scent of incense from centuries-old temples mingles with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee from swanky cafes. Known for its lush landscapes, Bangalore has been aptly named the City of Gardens. These green havens offer a peaceful retreat from the city's fast-paced life. In the city of beauty and diversity, let's explore some must-visit places that showcase Bangalore's unique charm. Our first stop takes us to the heart of the city, the Bangalore Palace. Steeped in history and grandeur, this iconic landmark stands as a testament to Bangalore's regal past. Built in the late 19th century, the palace is a sparkling gem, showcasing a blend of Tudor and Scottish Gothic architecture. Its fortified towers, turreted parapets, and arching windows transport you to a time of royal splendor and elegance. The palace is more than just a pretty facade. It's a treasure trove of history. Once the residence of the Wodeyar dynasty, the palace now serves as a museum, housing an extensive collection of paintings, artifacts, and historical photos, each narrating a tale of the city's bygone era. The sprawling palace grounds adorned with lush gardens and serene water bodies offer a respite from the city's bustling rhythm. With its splendid architecture and historical richness, the Bangalore Palace gives you a glimpse into the city's royal past. Moving on from the royal grandeur, we step into the tranquility of the Bagh Botanical Garden. A lush green oasis in the heart of Bangalore, this garden is a testament to the city's love for nature. With a rich variety of over 1,000 species of plants, Bagh is a paradise for botany enthusiasts and those seeking serenity alike. The garden's crown jewel is the Glass House, inspired by London's Crystal Palace. Hosting 2 annual flower shows, it turns into a spectacular kaleidoscope of vibrant blossoms. Not to be missed is the iconic rock formation within the garden. Over 3 billion years old, it stands as a silent witness to the passage of time, adding a unique historical dimension to this verdant retreat. But Bagh is more than just a garden. It's a haven where nature's beauty and Bangalore's heritage come together, creating a serene escape from the city's bustling rhythm. Bagh Botanical Garden, a place where nature and history intertwine, offers a serene escape from the city buzz. From the calm of Bagh, we dive into the hustle and bustle of the vibrant KR Market. A riot of colors, scents, and sounds, KR Market is a sensory adventure that is quintessentially Bangalore. This isn't just a market, it's a living, breathing entity that pulses with the heart of the city. As one of the oldest markets in Bangalore, it's steeped in history, each stall a testament to the city's evolving narrative. Here, you can find an array of stalls selling everything under the sun, from fragrant flowers woven into intricate garlands, to piquant spices that ignite your senses and fresh produce that's as colorful as the city itself. KR Market is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. The market isn't just about commerce, it's a reflection of Bangalore's spirit, vibrant, diverse, and teeming with life. Immersing yourself in the lively KR Market, you'll get a taste of the local life, its colors, scents, and sounds. Leaving the traditional market behind, we venture into the modern world at the Infosys Campus. This sprawling tech oasis stands as a shining beacon of Bangalore's status as a premier technology hub. With its innovative design that fuses both traditional and contemporary architectural elements, it's no wonder that the campus is a marvel to behold. But the Infosys Campus is more than just its physical appearance. It's the heart of Bangalore's IT boom, pulsating with the energy of thousands of tech enthusiasts who walk its corridors daily. The campus is packed with state-of-the-art facilities from high-tech workspaces to leisure zones, embodying the city's commitment to promoting a work-life balance. This is where ideas are born, where technology meets creativity, and where the future is being shaped, one code line at a time. The Infosys Campus, a testament to Bangalore's technological prowess, showcases the city's modern side. We've walked through palaces, gardens, markets, and tech parks, each telling a unique story about Bangalore. As we journeyed through the city of gardens and tech hubs, we discovered that Bangalore is more than just a metropolis. It's a city that harmoniously merges the old with the new, tradition with innovation. The Bangalore Palace, with its Tudor-style architecture, stands as a testament to the city's royal heritage, its grandeur and elegance telling tales of a regal past. Then we found ourselves amidst the tranquility of the Bagh Botanical Garden, a lush oasis in the heart of the city, a place where nature's beauty is on full display, offering a serene retreat from the hustle and bustle of urban life. This garden is a living example of the city's commitment to preserving its green spaces, a nod to its nickname as the City of Gardens. We navigated the vibrant chaos of the KR market, a sensory explosion of sights, sounds, and smells. The market, with its riot of colors and flurry of activity, showcases the city's thriving local economy and the rich tapestry of its culture and traditions. Our journey continued to the Infosys Campus, a symbol of Bangalore's standing as India's Silicon Valley. This tech park, with its state-of-the-art facilities, represents the city's forward-thinking spirit and its significant contribution to the global technology landscape. From royal grandeur to serene gardens, bustling markets to modern tech parks, Bangalore offers a myriad of experiences, making it a city worth exploring. Each place we visited painted a different facet of Bangalore, together weaving a vibrant picture of this dynamic city. Their collective narrative tells a story of a city that is as diverse as it is unified, as traditional as it is modern, as local as it is global. A city that proudly holds on to its heritage while embracing the future with open arms. A city that is, indeed, a microcosm of the beauty and diversity that is India.